Good morning. So yesterday we looked at the mode average and today we are going to be looking at the median average. And again, we're going to look at how it's found and when it's a good way to look at data. So we talked about an average being a way of describing the center of a batch of data. So mode meant the most popular, median means the middle. So here's my data again from my fruit snacks stand data collection, which you can see I've put into order from most popular to least popular. So to find the middle, I need to know how many pieces of data I've got. So I've added up how many people answered, and I have 104 pieces of data. And I need to find the middle of 104. So to try and make it a bit clearer, down the bottom here, I've put a little line, a number line from 0 to 104. I've marked in halfway, a quarter, 3/4 at the bottom. So I'm looking for whichever bit of data is going to be around that 52 mark. So you can see as we go up, the first 26 is strawberry, the next 19 is watermelon, that takes us to 45. Then we have grapes, another 18, that takes us over the halfway mark to 63. So that means the median, the middle piece of data for this particular batch is grapes. Now, is it always suitable to find the middle of the data? At this point, I'm not sure why I would want to know what the middle value was, other than perhaps that might tell me after this point there's no point in stocking the other bits of fruit, but our median value is grapes. Let's look at the other data that we collected yesterday. So, the reason the median is useful is because it gives us a centre, and in this case it really is the middle of the data, and it's not affected by odd bits of data which are much higher or much lower than the rest of the data. Tomorrow when we're going to look at the mean, you'll be able to see how those outliers can affect it. So here are your tasks. Here is my data for the median average of minutes spent listening to Spotify over the past 5 years. So to help me find the median, I have written the data out in order of size from lowest to highest. It doesn't matter if you go lowest to highest or highest to lowest, but they do need to be in order for you to be able to find the middle value. So, I'd like you to look at the number of customers in a shop, and I'd like to know what's the median number of customers in an hour. Remember, you need to put all of those bits of data from the line graph into order. I've started it off for you. Here's our data from the shoe shop. And I'd like to know what's the median shoe size. Tongue twister. So remember, every pair of sneakers is another piece of data. So I have to write down size 1 once, then I write down 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, because that's how many pairs were sold in that size. Finish it off, find the median shoe size. Then we've got the ice cream. Okay. I'd like you to tell me why it doesn't make much sense to find the median flavour of ice cream, but using your graph, your pie chart, can you find a way of working it out nonetheless? When you've completed your work, if you use the link in the video description, or you can point your phone camera at the QR code here on the screen, it will take you straight to a form, just like the one for the smoking survey, where you can put your answers in and upload it automatically. That way you don't need to email anything. I will see everybody's answers on one sheet. So that should make it easier for everyone. Okay, bye.